So we've literally just gotten on the ship. I've been on about 40 minutes, and they just called medical emergency to a cabin in a stateroom already for the medical team. Not a terrific way to start the cruise for somebody. I hope they're okay. Well, it's Monday morning and it's cruise day. And I will say the Soffit Hotel here, I had a great sleep. You would think with the airport right there and the planes taking off, I really didn't hear the planes. Now it might have been that I was exhausted and absolutely dead to the world when I fell asleep. I must have slept a good 10 hours, 11 hours yesterday till this morning, off and on. But it really is a nice hotel, very clean. I really enjoyed the fact that I did the upgrade because last night I went down to the lounge area on this floor that they have only for this floor if you do the upgrade. Not only is there hot and cold food set up there, and they have breakfast there this morning, but it includes wine and your beer, and there's no charge. There's beer in my fridge, no charge. It's all included in the price. And the difference between an early book-in room and this was like £11, which is, $18. So highly recommended, highly worth it. The airport is right there if you're taking off. It doesn't matter if you're staying at the north or south terminal. It's a 4-minute automatic tram ride back and forth between the two. And yeah, I'm going to show you a little bit more of the hotel on my way out. Just got packed all my luggage, heading off to Southampton. And so yeah, let's go. Hi everybody, I'm here on the Royal and we're getting ready to set sail. And it's a blustery day, not quite like you're used to in the Caribbean, but I was here and as I'm looking over at the docks, take a look at how beautiful this port is. Watch this. I just love the buildings over there on the dock. And while I was looking down, look at the Waverly. What a gorgeous ship. I would love to take a trip on that one day. Just even around the port. That would be amazing. So let's check out and see how bad the wind is here, because it's pretty windy out. But on the bright side, I'm on the ship. It took about 2 hours by bus ride. So if you're leaving from the Gatwick airport and you have to...
Ladies and gentlemen, very good afternoon to you and to all of you joining us today here in westbound. And you picked out a fantastic ship. You have a wonderful crew that are going to be looking after you each and every day. Commanding officer of Royal Princess is Captain Tony Draper. Hotel General Manager Michael Darcy and over 1,300 crew members on board that are going to be taking great care of you over our next many days together.
So as always on embarkation day, it's just a matter of getting settled in, getting checked in. There seems to be a little bit of a delay downstairs today. Luckily, I get priority boarding, so it's not too bad. Oh, they're working in my ping pong area. I can't play ping pong today. Oh, take a look at this guy getting ready to go. The red jet. I'm going to head down and check out the stateroom in a minute, but I just wanted to come up here, just take one more look at that ship down below, the Waverly. Steam wheel of all kinds of ship. It's amazing. So, I'm so used to booking a cabin at the front of the ship and not in the aft that I automatically went to the front of the ship. And now I gotta walk the length of the ship to get back to my cabin. Because I'm not in the front, I'm in the aft. Way to go, Don. Seasoned cruiser here. Take your advice from me. Alright, so let's do a room tour. I don't usually do these too often, but let's check out what a balcony stateroom is on the Royal Princess. So right off the bat, when you come in, the first thing you're going to notice, there is ample storage room for your clothes. Over here, you have your safe, which I highly recommend using whenever you can. Keep your passport, keep your wallet in there. You don't need them. Lots of other storage involved. And then what everyone always sometimes complains about is bathrooms. But then again, I think it's a nice size. But I'm here by myself, so the size is pretty good for me. You have condiments all around the shower area. Which I think overall, let's see. Now, of course, I have myself set up. King size bed configuration. Plenty of walk-through space for myself. Really nice size TV. Looks like 40-inch TV. Little coffee table, little serving area. And I don't know what it is about me and soda packages, guys, but I got in. We are having a little problems with the cups for the tumblers for the soda package. So while we wait for them, we offer you 2 free bottles of 1.5 size water. I was thinking on ordering some water on the ship, so this will be okay for me. I'm quite happy with that. And of course, with my points that I have for the ship, I get the mini bar set up at the beginning for free. Always a nice bonus. Down here is the bar fridge. Yep, come on. Once again, everything in here for myself at the beginning is included. If you have sailed with Princess enough and have earned the perks, that's a great start. So you can also have this switched out for any of the beers or waters or pop that you would prefer to have in your stateroom once you get on board. Now we have the contentious part. We have a nice desk, good size. I even have a chair here to sit if I want. But one plug and a European plug. And that is it, folks. That's what's in my stateroom for plugs. There's nothing else. Now, for me, this works out fine. I have a lot of USB chargers and that, but a lot of people want more plugs. Well, I don't get to say hi from here very often, but it's not the sunniest of days out, but it's not horrible. It's not blistering cold yet. We do have some cold wind and cold weather on the way into this area. I'm wondering if we're going to be ahead of it until we turn back and come back through Ireland, or if it's just gonna follow us all the way there. So we'll find out. But it's so nice to have a balcony. I know I'm gonna enjoy some days out here on the ocean, having some drinks, and just sitting and relaxing. And a lot of people complain about the size of balconies and that, but I mean, I'm sitting sideways here. I'm having no issues whatsoever. There's Lots of room down here beside me. I'm not squished. And here's the waterway. Got a ways to go before sail away, but I'm sure they're going to be calling us for the muster drill anytime soon. And I think I'm going to check and see what Princess has sent me. Make sure everything's in order, and I'll get back to you again soon. We'll see what we're going to do tonight. I got to see a show. I have to see a show, but I don't know what it is going to be, but we'll check it out. Well, I'm finally on the ship, and I'm ready to go, even though I had to walk the entire length of the ship because old habits are hard to break. FYI, the medical emergency, the lady turned out to be fine. She did sail with us and she continued on her trip. It was more of a scare than any real emergency, so good news there. She was great for the cruise. Yeah, it's windy, it's blustery, but I'm on a ship, so I really can't complain, and I'm looking forward to sharing some more of our trips. The first stop coming up next will be Amsterdam, and a little bit more about the ship. And I also have quite a few interviews on this cruise to show you, so I hope you stay tuned for those. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You want to see more tips, more tricks, more travel blogs from around the world, please hit that subscribe button. Till next time, have yourself a safe and a great vacation.